This is OPPO A98, and today I would like to show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So firstly, you will need to open Settings, then enter the Google category, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button below the, Google account itself. Get started. Then go for the Data and Privacy, scroll the page all the way down, and initialize the Delete Your Google Account process, or the account deletion process rather. Now, in order to continue, I will need to input the account password, so let me quickly do that off the screen. Then you gotta just finish the account deletion by checking those two boxes and tapping at the Delete Account button. And that will be pretty much it. At this stage, the parental controls should have been successfully turned off. So let's check it. It sometimes takes a few moments for the system to acknowledge those changes and to synchronize itself properly. So let's give it that time. So as you can see, there is no Google account linked anymore, and no parental controls as well. So now the last thing that I need to do is to show how you can recover the account we have just deleted so you will not lose it, which is a very simple procedure to execute. You gotta simply sign into any Google app or service with it. So as you can see, I will enter my child's email address, or child account email address rather, and this is the message you should get as well. Then follow this message by entering the account password. 9 out of 10 times you will get the something went wrong error message. That's completely fine. All you gotta do is to re-enter your credentials once again, and the second time it will allow you to proceed with the sign-in, thus confirming that the account is restored and can be used again as normal. So as you can see, the login continues successfully. So now let me quickly finish it, and that basically proves that the account was successfully recovered. Earlier in this video, we have deactivated the parental controls, the Google Family Link restrictions. So that would pretty much conclude it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.